Hey, my name's Chris, and I work here at Tech Support. We're a medium-sized company, and we've got about 50 or so employees. And PC Health Boost, it's been my secret weapon. It's been the best tool in my toolkit, and a lot of the executives here, and well, really anybody for that matter, they install and uninstall software all the time. And then their PC ends up having registry errors, and it's in real sluggish, and we know what that story is. So, okay, PC Health Boost, though, has helped me to be able to fix these errors in minutes, get them back up and running very quickly. It saved me a ton of time, and I don't have to babysit these computers anymore. So, whether you're doing this for an IT department or even if you're an individual, this has been an absolute game changer for me. And so, if your PC is running slow, I would highly recommend you check out PC Health Boost. It's done great for me and my department. I know it'll do the same for you and yours. Thanks so much, guys.
If you want your computer running faster, smoother, and error-free, then download a trial copy of PC Health Boost today. Click the link below to download your free trial version.